Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Poltergeist, and today I wanted to show you all this mobile suit I made in Gundam Breaker Mobile. Now, this thing is an absolute unit. I drew the Nightingale legs from a capsule pool and decided to go ahead and see how ridiculous I could make a mobile suit look, and we ended up with this monstrosity. Down here is the paint scheme I used, the Rick Diaz Quattro version. And here we're going to load up into a sortie and just show you guys what it looks like. This is a relatively easy fight, so we don't get to see many skills here, but I just wanted to show what the appearance looks like when you're in a sortie, so here that is. Now let's check out what this thing looks like in the photo studio. I absolutely love how this thing looks, and now I kind of want to just mess around with other parts and make the most ridiculous things I can come up with. What did you think about this build? Comment down below. Please like and share if you enjoyed this video.